Hey fellow trader, Cecil Robles here with YourForexMentor.com with another daily video review. Wanted to talk again about the Euro US dollar. Remember yesterday I talked about how the Euro US dollar, in my opinion, was going to be heading up, that we maybe were in for a little more volatility and a little more action in the Euro US dollar. If you didn't watch that video, make sure and go back and watch it today under the video section. However, I want to talk today about an opportunity. Remember I said yesterday that we were looking for pullbacks and we were looking to buy the pullbacks. Well, we've had that pullback here in the overnight session and throughout the U.S. session in the market. We've had that nice pullback here in the euro against this particular momentum move here, this momentum up move. We've had that pullback. This is the 1 hour chart, 60-minute chart. And you can see I've drawn this red horizontal line right here in the chart. And this is kind of an area of resistance here, or of support rather. It's resistance that was broken that became support, and you can see right down from these highs down into these highs all the way across this area right here. It's really a support area. The other thing is that when you draw Fibonacci's from each of these low points, these swing low points up to this high point here, you will see that each of this kind of resistance line that I've drawn in here actually coincides with the 61.8 Fibonacci levels, and there's a confluence of them right here from these three swing lows. Of course, the 61.8 is a little bit lower for this one here, so we could see some more pullback here. But what we're looking for is a buying opportunity, and really, if we dip down into this line here, which is roughly at 133, 1.13373, 1.13373, if we dip down into that line, or we get some kind of a reversal signal in here, whether it be a continuation trade based on our Williams percentage range and the 50 exponential moving average, or some kind of a intermediate term low form right here, or a reversal bar, we can go ahead and buy into this market. That's what I'm looking to do, is buying into this market. Either we get a dip down here below this 1.13373 area, or we have one of those other things occur, and then we'll be looking to buy into this particular market. So that's the Euro US dollar. I also want to talk about the pound yen. I do believe the pound or the yen cross pairs are ready to rally even more. We saw this big momentum here in the 1 hour chart on the Great British Pound Japanese yen. Of course, this is kind of a somewhat of a recovery from the big drop that we had in this when the Chinese revalued their currency, when their stock market cratered and they revalued their currency. So this is a recovery here from that. And as you can see now, we're dropping, once again, dropping right back down into these particular support areas right here. Here is where we're dropping down into, right here into this area. You can see support all in here, support in here, support right here. And of course, this candle right here bounced off of that support. So that's a level that may hold up. Now, once again, if we get some kind of a reversal bar and we do not break down below this support, then we're going to be looking to buy into this market again. I'm already long this market on the daily chart, but we'll look to take a more short-term trade here on the 1 hour chart, and we'll see if that level holds up. So once again, if this level holds up right here, if we don't get a breakdown and a close below this level, but it holds up, even if price spikes down, spikes back, gives us some kind of a reversal indication here, we're going to be going long this market. So just to give you some heads up on what to be looking for, Euro US dollar, Great British Pound Japanese yen, we're looking to be long both of those markets for the short-term intraday type trade. And you can get long at any point, trade back up to these highs or even beyond possibly, but definitely back up to these highs. You can move your stops up using a number of different methods, and I highly encourage you to do that. Trade it back up to these highs at least if you do end up going long. So hope you enjoyed this daily video. I'll be talking to you shortly. Also, let me remind you of the special that we have going on for Currency Signals Club Lifetime right now. We've got a half-off special. You want to take advantage of that while you can. We'll be running that until Sunday, so you have until Sunday to take advantage of that. Talk to you soon.